Hi, welcome back to another Teach Me Interactive unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the SIG SAUER KILO2400 Rangefinder. This is a really great all-inclusive rangefinder system. I say system because it comes with multiple components in the actual package itself. First thing is the owner's manual. It has a lot of really good information. It explains everything that you need to know. Next up, the rangefinder and all the components come in this really nice bag. Has a little pouch in the front, as well as a lot of different straps, so you can pretty much snap it on, attach it anywhere, or attach anything to it, really. Comes with 3 batteries straight off the bat, so you're going to be charged up for a while. And it did come with a pen, but we took this rangefinder out into the field to test it out a little bit. So that is nowhere to be found, unfortunately. So if we get this out of the way and take a look inside here, it comes with 3 different components. The actual rangefinder in a really nice little bag that you can strap on to your belt. They actually include a tripod mount for your rangefinder, which is really, really useful. Usually you'd have to purchase that extra. And finally, a wind meter for your phone, and I'll get onto how that connects to the rangefinder in a second. And then there's also a lanyard included to strap this on around your neck if need be. So just one last look at the bag, and then put that away. So what makes this rangefinder, in my opinion, such a good one is that in addition to its really, really compact size, as you can see there, it has a free ballistic app associated with it. It's the SIG free ballistic app, and you can actually plug this wind meter into your phone, and it will display windage on your phone in the app, which will allow you to calculate the windage for wherever you're ranging. If you see, we give it a little blow. Spins around and will determine the windage. So that's really great. In addition to windage, this actually has a built-in temperature, pressure, and humidity sensor built in to help you compensate for any weather conditions where you're shooting, essentially. And actually, in addition to that, it comes with a digital compass, magnometer, and inclinometer to help you determine how you should shoot, how you should range your target, and that'll also help you negate the Coriolis effect. So if we take a look at the actual unit here, you can see there's a mode button on the side. That'll help you figure out which mode you should be ranging in, and your actual range button on the top, eyepiece that comes in and out. It's telescopic, and then right here is where you put one of those batteries in to power it. Looks like it has some really, really great glass there. Just overall, just a really nice, like very grippy, very, very tactile rangefinder, really great in the hands. Definitely small enough to put in a pocket or anything. It is a 7x 25mm rangefinder, and it has actually multiple scan modes depending on how you're gonna range it. It has an OLED display in there when you look in, it's powered up, and it will calibrate brightness automatically for you depending on like ambient lighting conditions. But depending on how you're gonna range it, you can range it one time by just simply pressing it, but if you hold down, it will actually enter hyper range mode, which will scan 4 times a second in order to give you the best possible range on whatever you're trying to range. So if we move all this over, we'll get a weight on it for you. So this is actually one of the smaller rangefinders we've looked at, but I think it could definitely fit into a pocket or something very easily. If you look, it's 7 3/4 ounces, so a little hefty, but still obviously very light. And if we put a ruler down, we can see that it is from the tip of the eyepiece over to the bottom here, about 4.1 inches. So again, very, very very like small, compact. I think it would do very well in the field, as we've actually tested it out. Does great, but it also is very, very capable of just being kind of thrown in a pack, thrown on a lanyard. You could attach this to your belt. So really great performance from such a small rangefinder. That was the Kilo 2400 7x25 rangefinder. Thanks for watching.